Suppose you have a photo or PDF like this. You can see that it's a mathematical question and you want to convert this type of mathematical question into Word file like this within a click, within 1 second. So let's see how we can do that. For doing that, at first you have to go to Chrome browser and then you will go with this URL snip.mathpix.com, and if first of all you have to log in, and after login you will get an interface like this, and then you have to drop the photos or PDF or your note here. I'm pasting it here, Control V. Okay, so it will take a few seconds, and after a few seconds here you can see that everything is converted as we expected. And now how you can copy it. So for copying it, what you have to do, you have to click on original PNG. If you do that, then the original photo you gave will be copied. But if you click here, so it will give you a PNG also, but I don't need them. I need a Word file. That's why I have to click here on this DOCX option. So now it is exporting this whole question into a DOCX. You can see that it is even taking the board name also. So it is completed, and now it is asking to save. So giving a name, HHH. Okay, so let's see how it is now. Is it formatted? Am I losing the format or else? I just click it on now. Here you can see that it is created. It's magic, right? And it reduces a lot of effort. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friend who work with mathematical equation frequently. Thank you for watching this video. Sayonara.